Hello, hello, my BPW Taiwan sisters. This is Isadora from Young BPW Brazil, and now I'm going to show you another thing that are going to be useful for you inside the Metaverse space. So you guys can use it for meetings later, and we can use it in the academy as well. So the first thing that I'm going to teach you now, it's logging in or creating your account. Because if we want to use the other tools, which will be the hosting tools to unmute, to use your camera, to share your screen and everything, we gotta have a account and create our avatar in here. So the first thing that I'm going to do now that I'm already inside our Metaverse space, I'm just going to click here on log in. And you can see that you can use your email, you can use your Apple ID, and you can use your Google ID, or you can even explore more like the MetaMask and Microsoft ID as well for you to enter it. But I am going to use my email just because it's going to be the easiest way. So you're just going to have to type in your email right here. So I'm just typing in my email. We're gonna have to create our password that has to be in a minimum of 8 characters. So there you have it. I created my password. So we have to keep this tab open because they sent a verification email to the email that you put it in there. And I'm just opening my email right here on my phone right now. And I am just going to verify my email really quickly. So here I have my email on my phone and I'm just going to verify it right now. And we received an email from Spatial.io. So we're just gonna have to open the email and click on confirm my account, which is right here. So I'm just clicking here on confirm my account. And your email has been verified, and now you can just click here on I've verified my email. Perfect. So now we're just going to create our username. I'm just going to choose Isa _ Young BPW Brazil. This is the username that is going to display as my name here. And you also have to click here on I have read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. So you just click on next and stay in the loop, which enables notifications to stay in the loop with your favorite experiences, giveaways, and more on Spatial. But you can just click here on maybe later. You don't have to turn on your notifications here. And now it's relaunching our Metaverse space because now we can create our avatar. Now it's going to show my name here. So you can see that once I enter here, it's already showing here my name. And now on the next video, I can show you all the other tools that are going to be available to me once I am logged in into my account and inside the BPW Brazil Metaverse space.